Hello everyone. Today's video I'll show you how I cook my version vegan mung bean stew or mungo. First, I soaked this mung bean last night to speed up the cooking. Soaking helps to break down the beans when digesting. So make sure you soak them before cooking. And what I'm doing right now is I'm washing and mash the mung bean to fill up the skin. This mung bean stew is healthy and has a lot of wonderful flavors. And I used to love it this with chicharron, the pork skin. I would eat this mungo for a week. So now we're going to drain the water and place the mung bean in a pot. Add water, cover with the lid, and bring to the boil. And cook over medium heat until mung bean are soft and mushy. Cook for about 40 to 45 minutes. For the meantime, while waiting for the mung bean, heat the oil in a pan and fry the tofu over high heat until both sides are golden brown. And then when it's done, drain the excess oil and set on a paper towel and set aside. Using the same pan in a lower heat, saute the garlic, onion, and tomatoes. Once the mung beans are soft or cooked, add to the pan, mix well, add the salt and black pepper to taste. Add the squash and lower the heat and cook until the squash has softened and stir it occasionally. Let simmer for 5 minutes and add water if it's necessary or if it started getting dry. Add the bell pepper, tofu, jalapeño, and spinach. Stir it and let simmer for another 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and sprinkle the green onion and serve while it's hot with rice. Enjoy your mung bean or mungo. Thank you all so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.